Alrighty guys, so we got that all up there now. That's 2 coats now of Kills. This is Kills Complete. It is an oil-based product, okay, but you can see how it's killed all that moldish, blackish, nasty look that was in that wall, the mildew and the mold stains. It's all back behind there now, and we got pretty good coverage. But what it also does, like I said, is it highlights these spots. You see the spots, you can see them better now. All the dips and the divots, you can see them real well. And the third purpose for it is it's going to create a better adhesion surface for our plaster skim coat to go over. We'll get a lot better adhesion with this on here. So this is Kills Complete. Alright, and we're done with this phase of the project. Next phase, we're going to go on and do some plastering. So I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned as we move forward. So just stand by real quick. Let me mix up some mud, stuff like that, and we'll get moving forward with the plastering. All right, we're going to render some plaster work.